start, I am a Trainee Health Safety and Environmental Advisor with CCG. When I left school, I was actually working in retail during the time I was at school. But when I left, I wasn't sure what career path I wanted to follow. So I continued working in retail for a while, and then I got a job as a kitchen designer, and it was trade only. They took their health and safety really seriously. It's something that I got involved in, and then that's where my interest of health and safety came from. I then started working for a construction company. Again, that was basically where I started working in health and safety, but it was more of a kind of administration office point of view. I really wanted to get on site, start carrying out audits on site. So that's where I found the job with CCG, and it was a perfect opportunity to basically learn on the job, but then also learn the advisor role as well. My main duties day to day, it's basically 50-50. It's like, half the time you're in the office, half the time you're on site. So on site we will carry out a health and safety audit. Then after the audit is done, you would go through the whole audit with the site manager, basically discuss any issues that are on site, if there are any. We would then come back to the office, write up the report, and then send it out to the site manager. Also, some of the main duties in my role would be to put together like certain health and safety files for site managers, anything that they need, whether it be different packs that we need to put together, different plans that we need to draw up. Yeah, so that's also a big part of my role as well. When we're on site, the main things that we look for, if there are any components missing, there has to be all edge protection in place. There has to be like kind of debris netting, just so that nothing can fall off the end. Just basically just making sure that every person on the scaffolding is 100% safe, and there aren't any risk of fall from heights or anything like that. Another big thing as well, just to make sure that everyone on site is wearing the correct PPE. If anyone doesn't have a hard hat on, we really need to be on the ball with that, making sure that everyone's got high-vis, a hard hat on, and glasses and gloves. So skills needed for my role, I would say the main one would be you need to be a good communicator. You need to be able to listen to people, hear different people's opinions, but also be good at getting your opinion across. You need to be able to work as part of a team. That's a big one. So you need to be able to work with other advisors, definitely all site team as well. You would need to be observant. You need to have attention to detail, and you'd also have to remain calm under pressure. That's a big point as well. So the best bits about my role would definitely be getting on site every day. The opportunity to meet new people every day. The fact that no 2 days are the same, every day is different. There's always a challenge involved, which I quite enjoy. I like learning new things. There's always something new to be learned, especially as a trainee. The worst things about the job, there aren't really any bad bits about the job. The only slight bad bit would be going out in bad weather conditions. That would maybe be the worst. If you're on scaffold and it's raining, it's not the best, but we do it. I would recommend a job in construction because you're definitely considered a valued member of staff. There's a lot of support here for you as well, and also there's a lot of support in regards to progression and training as well.